The next topic is assignment operators. But first of all, let me change the theme from dark to light mode so that you can clearly see that. And let me save it. And let's talk about assignment operators. Now, what we are familiar with is with this equal to sign. While we were assigning some values to some variables, let's say name, then we were using these assignment operators to assign some value to some variable, right? So this equals to operator is one example of assignment operator. Now let's say you have a variable called age and it is having a value, let's say 4. Now we want to increase the value by 1. So what we can do, we can type age equals to age plus 1. If we print the age, it should print 5, right? So let us check that. And it is connecting with the Google database, then initializing the RAM and hard disks, etc. Then it is printing that the age is now 5. But what else we can do to execute this statement is using this plus and equals to operator same time. So we can remove this part and say age plus equal to 1, and let's try to run the code again, and you can see that output is same. So this plus equal to means age equal to age plus something that we are going to pass here. So let us have it. Let us have one more example. This time I will type age. Let's say age equal to age plus, let's say 3, and if we run the code, then the output is 7. So what else we can do? Plus equal to 3, then it will take the age variable, the value of the age variable, then add it 3, add it with 3, and then assign the value, assign the new value with the age variable. So the new variable will be 7. So let us run the code again, and you can see the same output. Same for the negative operator. So if we minus it, minus equal to, and the answer should be 1, and yes, you can see that. So this is same as age equal to age minus 3. So you got it. And for the same for the division, say division equal to 4, then what should be the answer? Of course 1, and it is returning the float type of variable, so it is 1.0. Now let's check the modulus assignment operator. Modulus equal to, let's say 2. So what would be the output? It is 0, because 2 divided by 4 is 2 2s are 4, and the remainder part is 0, so it is returning 0. Now the exponential assignment operator, and so what it will do, it will try to find the power, or find what is the 4 square, means 4 to the power 2. So what will be the output? Of course 16. And then the floor division. So let us divide 4 with, let's say 1.5, so that we can see the proper a better example. So it is printing 2. So this is how the comparison operator works. Oh sorry, this is how the assignment operator works. You can take one arithmetic operators and add with the assignment operator, and that will make our code more that will make our code less complex, and we don't need to write all the stuffs age equal to age plus something like that. So this you can treat as a shortcut, assigning some value to some variable. So in the next video we will talk about the logical operators.